Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit Light Maroon Filter using Lightroom Mobile App. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Profiles and choose Artistic 03. Bring it to 200. And done. Now go to Light. Exposure 0.30, Contrast 16. Highlights -30. Shadows 10. Whites -40. Blacks -20. Now go to Curves and follow these steps. Next go to Color. Temperature -2. Tint -6. Vibrance 60. Saturation -10. Go to Color Mix. First go to Orange color. Saturation -51. Luminance 20. Go to Yellow. Hue and saturation -20. Next go to Green. Hue -60. -50 for saturation. Luminance -40. Go to Aqua. Saturation -20. Go to Blue. Hue -20. Hue saturation -70. And done. Next go to Effect. Clarity 16. Next go to Details. Sharpening 12. Noise Reduction 15. Color Noise Reduction 50. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to other photo. Copy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presets.